Hi, this is Katina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play a 1-octave B-flat scale. We're going to start right down here on B-flat, your index finger here. So, just as a reminder, you've covered up the F, the E, D, C, B-flat. You're going to move up to C by lifting up that finger. Then you'll lift up this one for D. Move over to the side for E-flat. You do have an option of using the fork, which is fun, but I save that one for the chromatic scale to differentiate between the scales, because later on, once you get into the more complicated flat scales, you're going to need to use this side E-flat because you will have some D-flats and it's hard to move like that. So, as a reminder, we're on this E-flat here. Lift up these two and this index finger so that you can get to the F. One smooth motion, E-flat, F, open G, A, B-flat. As a reminder, when you play A, don't press it like a button. I see a lot of crazy B-flats, like this and like this. You want to keep your fingers curved and close, including the thumb in the back. A, B-flat. All you're doing is rolling into the register key, going down, lift up for A, open G. Drop your thumb for F. It should be hovering right there anyway. F, E-flat with the sign. Lift up for D, C, B-flat. Thanks for watching, and if you have any suggestions for videos, please comment below.